Hey guys, I am back with another tutorial video, and today for you guys I have how to make your microphone, like your voice, sound louder in your microphone than it normally is in OBS Studio, because I know some of you may have external microphones that make your voice sound soft. And if you don't want to speak really loudly, you don't really have to, because here's a way to make your voice louder through your external microphone. I do have a microphone that has a volume gauge thing on it, but sometimes I don't want to turn that up because I like where it's at. It just sometimes I like to talk super like quiet, and so what I found this setting in OBS Studio that makes your voice sound louder in when you're talking in either your videos or your live streams. So here's how you can do it. Simply, all you have to do is find your microphone in your audio mixer here in OBS Studio. Click this icon, the gear icon, click on filters, and as you guys can see, for me it's called gain, so I'm going to turn that off. Now my voice is normal, like what it would normally be without the gain, the noise gain. And hold on a second. So now that you guys know what my voice sounds like when I don't have my gain on, but here is what it would sound like when I turn it back on. Turn my gain back on. It now makes my voice sound louder, and you guys just have to play around with this. I just think 5 decibels will do enough for me. But if that's not enough for you, just play around with it, and you'll find the perfect setting for that. And if you just don't want it, all you have to do is just click this little eye looking icon, and it'll turn that setting off. And then when you do want it, you just turn it back on again. So again, to access it, you find your microphone or your audio in your audio mixer. So where your microphone is in your audio mixer, you click this gear looking icon, and then you click on filters. And if it's not there, you just click add, and then click gain. I'm not going to add it again because I already have it, but that's what you would do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to make your voice sound louder in OBS Studio. And like always, make sure to give this video a like. That way it tells me that you guys like my tutorial videos and that they are very helpful. Also, subscribe if you are new, and turn on notifications, that way you don't miss out on new tutorial videos that come out. And if you want to, you don't have to, but you can share this with your friends, so if they are having problems with anything like this, or any tutorial video that's on my channel so far, you guys can share with them my channel, or tell them about it. But anyways guys, I will see you guys in the next tutorial video. Bye.